Sir, Senator Sonny is open daw to becoming the next DepEd-Sec. Anong comment nyo doon, sir?
Well, that's good because I was one of the first, if not the first, to actually recommended him to become a DepEd Secretary, given his competence, given his track record, given his experience in the education field and sector. But at the end of the day, desisyon at pasya ng Pangulo yan dahil yan ay position of confidence. Kabinete yan at dapat that person will enjoy the confidence and trust of the President. Whoever the President chooses, of course, the Senate will, I will accept and respect.
May iba ba kayong napipisal, sir?
Mahirap daw mag-rekomendo ng sobra pa sa isa. Ugali ko yan naman pa. Kung may sinabi ako na o nirekomenda ang tao, yun na lamang yun, pero nasa kamay pa rin ng appointing power kung yun ay tatanggapin niya o hindi. Ano man ang maging pasya ni Pangulong Marcos, siyempre maluwag at bukal sa kalooban ng sino mang nagre-rekomenda dapat.
Sir, in the event na ma-appoint si Senator Angara sa position, what happens to his Senate seat?
The term of Senator Angara will be expiring in June 2025 anyway. So tingin ko hindi na yan kailangan filapan pa sa isang special election na gastos lamang. So hintayin na lamang siguro mag-expire yun. So if the Senator will accept it, if he is appointed, there will only be 23 sitting senators.